Hello everyone, welcome to IACE. Today our discussion about IBPS RRB Office Assistant Grant Test 82. In this we are going to discuss about quantitative section. We have a 40 questions. Move for the questions directly. Look at, we have a first, they are given a data interpretation. The given pie chart shows the number of population in 5 different cities. The total population is 22,000. The 22,000 is distributed all the cities, Chennai to Kolkata. Overall it is equal to 100%. 100% is equal to 360 degrees also. Based on the central angle we can calculate if there is a possibility there and if there is a required as per the questions. And coming to the population, they are given a male and female ratio also. Then this is total data is belongs to 2018. They are given a 5 cities purpose. First portion is belongs to male, second portion is belongs to female. 3:2. Males are 3 parts, females are 2 parts in Chennai. As it is, we should calculate for the remaining cities also. And directly we will move for the question. What is the first question? The number of male population in Mumbai is approximately what percentage of number of male population is Bangalore? Population of Mumbai males, and here the male population is Bangalore. We required as a percentage wise. Okay, how much percentage, that's we should calculate. Look at, here is Mumbai is 18%. 18% is equal to 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, in this we required 5 parts. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9 parts. 9 parts is equal to 18%, means 5 parts is equal to how much percentage? 10%. 10%. And coming to the next, Bangalore. Bangalore is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 20%. In this we required males. 4 parts is equal to 20%, means 1 part is equal to 5%, and male is 3 parts, which is equal to 15. And we need percentage, multiply with 100, 5 2s and 5 3s. 2 by 3 is equal to how much percentage? 6.67%. That is equal to option A here clearly. And next we will move for the 42 question. What is the 42 question? What is the average number of female population is all the cities together? Here is we required female population all the cities average. Yes, just remember the question and move for the data as it is. Look at 3 plus 2 is 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 25%, means 2 parts is equal to 10%. 10 plus next one is 3 plus 1 is 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to 20%, means 1 part is equal to 5. Here is 8 plus 7 15 and 7 parts directly. And here is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9 parts. 9 double is 18. 4 double is 8. Plus 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 double is 22. 5 double is 10. Average means sum of observations by number of observations. Already we know the total population is 22,000. We should apply 22,000, but I am not applying the double zeros because all the percentage wise last 2 zeros will be going to cancel, and simplify the values to getting an answer. Look at, here is 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10 plus 10 overall is 40. 40 is divisible by 5, means it is a how many times? 8 times. 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16, it is equal to what is the value? 1760. 8 into 220, which is equal to here 1760. Then as per the option, which is the option is suitable here? Option D here. And next one for the same data, 43. The number of literate male, illiterate male and literate female ratio of Chennai is 6:5 and 5:6. 6:5 and 5:6 here. 6:5 and 5:6. This is belongs to males and this is belongs to female. And here is literate, illiterate. Particularly they are given male portion and female portion. For this, what is the city? Chennai. Chennai is what is the ratio? 3:2. And Chennai population is required. Chennai population is how much percentage here? 25%. 25% we have to distribute it 3:2 wise. 25% is of 22,000 also. Okay, that is also we should take. Here 3:2. 3:2 we should calculate. 3 plus 2 is 5 parts. 5 parts is equal to 25%, means 1 part is equal to 5%. It is a 15%. 15% is required. Here is 15%, and here is how many percentage? Then 10%. Okay. Here is we required. What is the question? What is the difference between the number of male and female illiterate population in Chennai? Is illiterate population is required. Male illiterate population is 5 parts. 5 by 11 into 15 difference, and here 6 by 11 into 10 overall, which is into 220. Percentage wise again it is a 2 zeros will be going to cancel, and cancel the values to getting an answer. 11 will be cancelled. It is 11 how many times? 20 times. And here 15 5 is 75 and 6 10 is value 60. 60 minus 75 is equal to 15. 15 2 is equal to 300. Then male to illiterate overall population wise difference as per the illiterate, what is the value? 300. Option C here. Next, 44th question. The number of male population in Delhi is what percentage of the number of male population in Kolkata? Then number of male population in Delhi is what percentage of male population? Male population is 8. 8 parts is equal to 8%. Directly we will take 8%. Okay, 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. 15 parts is equal to 15%. Then 8 parts is equal to 8%. What percentage of number of male population in Kolkata? Kolkata is 6 plus 5 which is equal to 22. That means it is 12. And we need percentage multiply with 100. 4 2s and 4 3s. 2 by 3 is equal to how much percentage? 66.66%. Option D. Next. Question number 45. What is the ratio of total number of population in Delhi to Bangalore? In Delhi to Bangalore, total population. They are not asking the male and female version wise. They are asking total population. Total population means 15 is to 20. Here is the value is 15 is to 20. Both are will be cancelled with 5. 5 3s are 5 4s are. Then answer is option D. Next, we have a simplification 46 to 50. We should simplify based on the approximation. 12.5%. 12.5% means nothing but 1 by 8. 1 by 8 into 200 plus 45% of 320. Then 45% we can write 90 and 320 we can write 160. 69 the value is 144 and 8 to 200 how many times? 25 and 144 plus 25 which is equal to 170. 169. Then option E. Next question 47. 30.11 into 16.18 plus 15.02 into 8.32 is equal question mark 179.98. We can write the around value here. 30 into 16 which is 48 plus 15 8 ja 120 and here is there is a 0 is there, we can apply 0 also. 480 plus 120 which is equal to x plus 180. Okay, and 180 is removing from the 480 which is equal to 300. 300 plus 120 which is equal to 420. Option B. Next one. 90.09% of 119. 1191 we can write 120. It is 90%. 90% of 120. 9 12 which is 108. And 3.8, 3.18, 44.93 we can write 45, 45 into 3 which is equal to 135 and x plus 53. And 50 will be removing from the 130, remaining value is 80, it is 53 will be going to removing from here now, we will get 82. 82 plus 108 which is equal to 190, option D. Question number 49, 13.91 we can write 14 into 54 plus 80 into x which is equal to 3316. 14 into 54. Here we can write 14 4 is 56, 14 5 is 700, 756 plus 80x and 3316. And 756 is removing from the 3316, 6 minus 6 is 0 and 31 minus 5 value is here 6. 25. Okay, 2560. 33 minus 7 it is a 25. 2560 and 80 into x. Cancel the values. 8 cancel. 16 square value 256 and 8 will be cancelled to 256. It is a 32 times. X is equal what is the value? 32. Option C here. Question number 50. Root of 145 into root of 1223 plus root of 840 into root 5. All the numbers are we can consider like a, we can't get the perfect root values. We should go for the approximate. It is a near to root of 144. Then answer is 12. And root of 1225 which is 35 plus root of 841 value is 29. Root of 4. For 5 root value we can't get perfectly. That's we can consider root 4. Root 4 value is 2. And 12 into 35. 12 into 35 means 6 into 70 which is equal to 420. And 29 2's value is 58. 420 plus 58 is equal to 478. Option A. Next. We have a direct simplification. 12 into x and 58 square minus 13 into 64, 12x and 58 square is required. 58 square is how to calculate, comparing to 58, how much extra? 8 extra. Then 25 plus 8, 33 and 64 minus 13 into 64. 13 into 64 means multiply with 13. 13 4's value is here 52, 2 and carry forward is 5. 13 6 is 78. 78 plus 5 which is 83. 832. And removing the values to getting an answer. 4 minus 2 value is 2 and 6 minus 3 value is 3. 33 minus 8 value is 25 and which is going to divisible by 12 now. And 12 2's are 24, remaining value is 13, 12 1's and 12 1's. Then x is equal to what is the value? 211, then option E. Next, 120% of 550. Here 12 directly multiplying to 55, 12 5's are 60 and 12 5's are 60, it is a 660 plus 80% of question mark, 80% of question mark as it is we are writing, and 43 into 20. If possible to cancel the values. 20 cancel, 20 how many times? 4's are and 20 here 3's are and 20 3's are. And 33 is going to removing, here is a one time na? Then 43 into 1 43, 43 minus 33 which is equal to 4%. 4% we can write 1 by 25 into x and which is 10. 43 minus 33 is 10. 25 is multiplying to 10, it is a 250, option C. Root of 729. Root of 729 value is 27 into 8 plus x and 8 2 by 3. It is a mixed fraction basically. 3 8 is 24, 24 plus 2 value is 26 by 3 into 1296. 1296 value is 36. And cancel the values here. 3 to 36 how many times? 12 times. And 27 into 8 plus x is equal to 26 into 12. Here 8 into 27, 8 7's are 56, 8 20's are 160, 160 plus 56 is equal to 216 plus x and 26 12's are. 12 20's is 240, 12 6's is 72, 72 plus 240 which is 312. And what is the number is adding to 216 to getting a 312, that is our answer. 80 we are adding na, for example 84 added na, it is a 300, 84 plus 12 is equal to 96, then 96 means option D. Here is we should add it, what is the number? 96. Next, question number 54, 155 divided by 1665, as it is right, 155 1665 into 74 by 3100 into x and 10. We should calculate for x, that is our answer. Look at 155 double, 155 double value 310, then 310 and extra 0 and 0. And cancel with 2, 2 10's and 2 37's. And here is 10 into 10, it is 100. Of course, observe the options also, it is contain last 2 zeros are there. And 37 to 165, 6 become a 5, 7 become a 5 means what is the number multiply? 5 will be multiplied. Only one option is contained, it is a 5. Then 37 to 1665, how many times? 45, 45 into 10, 450, 450 into 10 is equal to 4500. Then x is equal, what is answer? 4500, option A. Then next one, 55. Third root of 9261. Third root of 9261 value is 21. Third root of 6859 value is 19. Plus root of 256 value is 16. And x into 7. This is our question. 21 plus 19, it is a 40. 40 plus 6 value 56. Then 56 total is divisible by 7 means how many times? 8 times. Then x is equal to 8, option E. Next we have a data interpretation based on the bar graph. For the 56 to 60 questions, the given bar graph shows the number of people died in the different cities, Spanish flu and cholera in different countries. 2 diseases are there for different countries. The countries names are here: India, Spain, Brazil, China, Nepal, and Spanish flu and cholera. Here the Spanish flu is belongs to yellow color and cholera is belongs to red color. That's we have to calculate. And look at the question directly. The question is this: what is the average number of people died of cholera in all the countries together? All the countries died value is required, that to average for the cholera only. Red color we have to calculate. 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2000 means compulsory will get answer is more than 2000. Okay, and 2000, all the 2000s are there. And look at the extra numbers: 500 plus 800, 400. Here is 500 and here is 800, here is 400. 400 plus 800, 1200, 1200 plus 500, 1700. 1700 by 5. 5 how many times? 5 3s and 5 4s and 0. And 17 double value is 340. 340 plus 2000, which is equal to 2340. Then option here A. Next, 57 question for the same data. Look at the number of people died in Spanish flu in Nepal is approximately what percentage of the number of people died in both diseases in Brazil. Both diseases in Brazil is required 1800 plus 2000, which is equal to 3800. 3800 into 100 we need percentage. And next, died Spanish flu in Nepal. Nepal value is here. Spanish flu means 2200. And we need percentage. Calculate for it is. And here 00 00 cancel. 2 19s and 2 11s. 19 to 100 approximately how many times? 5 times. Okay, more than 5. Okay, then 5 times 19 5 is 95 and extra 5 is also there. 5 into 11 is equal 55. That means our answer is more than 55 is required, near to 55 is required. Then option is 58%. Don't take the exactly 55. Okay, then more than that percentage, then answer is 58%. Question number 58. As per the same data, the number of people died in Spanish flu in Bangladesh is 80% of the people died in cholera in China. Cholera is China is how many members? 2800. In this 2800 we required how much percentage? 80%. Of course, countries wise there is no Bangladesh, but reference of China and India they are asking for the Bangladesh Spanish flu and cholera purpose they are asking. Then 2800 80% required. 80 into 2 80% of 2800. Here is percentage cancel for the percentage is a percentage wise, and 8 into 28 that is we required. 8 20s is 160, 8 8 is 64, it is equal to 64 plus it is 160, it is 224 and 0. This is the total value is 2240 and 0 is there. Here is also we should write 0. And next, this is for Spanish flu. And coming to the cholera, cholera is asking as per the Bangladesh purpose is double of the number of people died in cholera in India. India is cholera value is 2000. 2000 double value is 4000. This is data is belongs to who? Bangladesh. Bangladesh Spanish flu is belongs to 2250 members are died, 2240 members, and here cholera wise 4000 members are died. The final question is, what is the difference between number of people died in Spanish flu and cholera in Bangladesh? They are asking not some differences. 2240 to 4000 difference is 1760. 1760 option D here. Next, what is the ratio of number of people died and both disease in India? Both disease in India means 2000 plus 1200, it is a 3200. Number of people died in both disease in Spain. Both disease means 4500. Here is 0000 cancel, 32 is to 45. 32 is to 45 means option C. Next, 60. What is the difference between number of people died in Spanish flu in China? Spanish flu in China, here is 1500. Spanish flu in China, it is a 1500, and the number of people died in cholera in Nepal. Cholera in Nepal is 2400. 1500 to 2400 difference is 900. Option is none of this. Next question 61. A bag contains 4 green balls and 3 yellow balls. Then what is the probability to selecting a 2 green balls from the bag? Total bags contain 7 balls. Out of 7 balls, you have to pick the 2 balls. The 2 balls are belongs to green balls. Green balls is contain 4. Out of that, you have to select 2. 4C2 by 7C2. We can write 4 into 3 by 7 into 6. 6 is how many times? 2 times. 4 3 is a 12. 12 by 7 is our answer. Option A. A train crosses a man running in opposite direction at the speed of 30 kmph in 14.4 seconds it is crossing, and the speed of the train is 60 kmph. First of all, we have to calculate the train length. Both are in a opposite direction means speeds are added. 90 into 14.4 multiplied, we will get an answer of the length of the train. But it is a 90 kmph, we should convert into meter per second. Why? That's why we are dividing, multiplying with 5 by 18. 18 will be multiplied here. Look at 18 to 95 how many times? 5 times. 5 5 is 25. 25 we can write 100 by 4 also. Okay. 4 is dividing to 144, which is equal to, here is how many times? 36. It is equal to 360 meters. Train length. Train length is how many meters? 360 meters. Now coming to the, here the long platform. Platform length is how many meters? 240. Then overall is 600. Look at 360 plus here 360 plus 240 is how many meters? 600 meters. 600 meters is crossed by train only. Only train is crossing, that is 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. 600 by 60 we can apply to getting the answer. But it is, look at the option, they are given a second. Seconds means this kmph convert into meter per second. That's we can multiply with 5 by 18. Here is 8 is coming to the numerator. 16 5s is equal to 300 and it is a 2 times 18 2s is equal to how many seconds? 36 seconds. Option B. Okay. Option B is a perfect here. Next. The ratio of the radius of cone to cylinder is 1:2 and the ratio of the height of the cone to cylinder is 4:3. What is the ratio of the volume of cone to cylinder? Volume of cone. Cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h. And next, cylinder formula is pi r square h. Pi r square h here. And we have to substitute the values to getting an answer. Look at, here is the radius. Cone radius is required. Cone radius is how many parts? 1 part. And cylinder radius is how many parts? 2 parts. And the ratio of the height of the cone is how many parts? 4 parts. And cylinder is how many parts? 3 parts. We should cancel that, we will get an answer. Here is pi will be cancelled, 2 square will be cancelled, it is become a 4 will also cancel, and 1/3 into 3 which is equal to 1/9. 1/9 means then ratio is, what is the ratio? 1:9 here. Then option D. Next question, 64th. A sum of amount invested in compound interest scheme at 20% per annum for 2 years. If the interest is half yearly, we should calculate for not yearly, we should calculate for half yearly, and the interest received from the compound interest scheme is how much rupees? 1392.3. Then find the sum here. Then how to calculate? 20% for 1 year, 10% half yearly. For how many half years? For 2 years, 4 half years. Okay. Then 20% is, we can write half yearly purpose 10% value 1/10. Every 10 rupees 1 rupee is the interest means, every 10 rupees 1 rupee is the interest means, then here the principal is 10 rupees, total amount is 11 rupees. Look at, here is 10 to the power of 4 and 11 to the power of 4. Why we are applying power 4? Because 2 years, how many half years? 4 half years. 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 10,000. And 11 to the power of 4. 11 cube is 1331. 1331 is multiplied with 11, we'll get an answer 1 and 4 and 6 and 4 and 1. Here is the difference of interest is 4641. Here is 46141 is equal to how many times? 13923. Here is 1 become a 3 means compulsory it is a multiply with 3, and here the 1 decimal is there, here is also 1 decimal we can write. The same number here is multiplying with principal, this is we can call principal. The principal value is equal to, here is also multiply with 0.3. Multiply with 0.3 means it is becoming how much rupees? 3000 rupees. Here is the principal is how much rupees? 3000 rupees. Option A here. Next, the average weight of the 30 employees in the company is 60 kgs. If the weight of the manager is included, the average weight is increased 2 kgs, then find the weight of the manager. Okay, then here is each person is increased by 2 kgs. How many members are there? When the average manager is included now, then average is increased. How much increased? 2 increased. 2 increased for how many members? 30 members. 32 is equal to 60. But here is the last one person is also there. The last person is 31. 31 2 is equal to, one person is included na, 31%. Then 31 2 is equal to 62. 62 is added to previous average. Then we will get a manager weight. 60 plus 62 is equal to manager weight becoming how many kgs? 122. 122 means there is no 122. Then option is none of this. Yes. Next we have a direction 66 to 75. We have a first question based on the quadratic equation. Of course, some simplification is required here. X square a plus b whole square base, we have to elaborate x plus 2 whole square also. X square and 2 square value 4 minus 24 is come, it is a plus 28. It is a 28 and that 2 plus. And next 2 into x 2x and 4x. 4x is removing from the 15x because plus 15x it coming to the left side, it is become minus 15x minus 11x which is equal to 0. And next here y square. Next 3 square value is 9, then minus 19 it comes plus 19, 19 plus 19, 9 is equal to 28, here is also plus 28. Next 3 square, 3 into 2 is equal to 6y, here is a minus 6y and plus y is also coming to the left side, it is also minus, then 5y plus 6y is equal to 11y is equal to 0. And when the two equations are equal, Then as per the factors, then answer is what, sir? Cannot be determined. Look at here is a what is the factors? 28 is required. 28 purpose, what is the numbers we can write? 7 comma 4, and here the factors are 7 comma 4. 7 is more than the is equal, but 7 is more than the 4, but 4 is smaller than the 7. Then comparison wise it is a equal. Then option is cannot be determined. Next, x square is equal to 144, which is we can write x is equal to plus 12 and minus 12, and y is equal to factors are 0 comma minus 12, and here is a comparing to 0 minus 12 is a smaller, and comparing to minus 12 plus 12 is a bigger. Then 1 less than 1 greater than means cannot be determined here also. Next, 9x plus 4y is equal 26, 15y is equal 30, then y is equal to 2. 2 substituted here, we will get an x value. Here is 4 2s are 8, 8 is removing from the 26, we will get a 18, 18 to 9, here is also 2, x is equal to and y is equal to. Either substitute directly 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 6 is equal to, here 18 plus 8 is equal to 26, clear? Then option C, both are equal now, then cannot be determined. X square minus 20 minus 2x is equal to 24. Here you can change it, plus 24 it comes minus 24, which is equal to 0, and minus 24 factors. Minus 24 factors are what? 6 4s are 6 4s are 24, 6 minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Here is we can apply plus and minus, and next 10 25. Here is the factors are minus 5 comma minus 5. 5 5 plus value is 10, 5 5 is 25, and comparing to minus 4, minus 5 both are smaller. Comparing to plus 6, negative value is always the smaller. Then answer we can say x greater than y here. Question number 70, root x is equal to 4. Root x is equal to 4 means then x is equal to 4 square. 4 square value is 16. And here y minus 1, I am writing a question again, y minus 1 and 16 by y minus 16. Here is when it is y into y multiply, now it is getting a one equation, y into y is equal to y square, compulsory will get two factors, but without solving also sometimes we can easily guess that what was the factors are there. Here is I am substituting 0 here, 0 is substituted, na 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 16 minus 16, 16 16 cancel, it is a minus 1 is equal to minus 1, LH is equal to RHS, it is clear. Next 17 I am substituting, 17 minus 1 value is 16, 17 minus 16 is equal to, here is also 1, here is 16 is equal to 16, LH is equal to RHS, that means here the factors are 17 comma 0. And look at comparing to 0, 16 is bigger, comparing to 17, 16 is a smaller, 1 less than 1 greater than means relation is what? Cannot be established, x is equal to y now. Next we have a number series, 128 become a 126, it is how much added? 8 added, 126 become a 142, 16 added. Next 142 became a 166, how much added? 2 became a 6, it is a 4 and 4 became a here 24. And next 166 became a 198, 6 became a 8 means 2 and 32. Here is look at 8 1s are 8 2s are 8 3s are 8 4s are, next 8 5s are 40 added, we will get an answer here. Then 238, then 238 means option C. Question number 72, 12 18 26 38 question mark and 94, what is the answer here? So go for the differences, it is a 6 difference, and here is 8 difference, here is 12 difference, and next what? Here is 6 become 8 means 2, 8 become a 12 means 4, and next we can 8, 2 double 4, 4 double is 8, 8 double is 16. Then 12 plus 8 is equal to 20, and 38 plus 20 is equal to 58, and 20 plus 36, 58 plus 36 is equal to, yes exactly, it is a 94. Then our logic is applicable is clearly here, then option E is answer. Next 122 and 134, here is also take the difference, 120 become a 134 means difference is 12, 134 become a 146 means difference is 12, 170 to 180 is also difference is 12, that means nothing but we are adding always 12, 146 plus 12 is equal to 158, option A. Next 16, 16, 24, 48, 120, 16 into 1, and here is 16 into 1.5, here is into 2, and here is 2.5. Next we should multiply into 3, 12 3 is a 360, option D. Next 12, 28, question mark 81, 89, 138, 202. Here is go for the differences. The difference wise 12 to 28 became a 16, and we don't know, here is also we don't know the difference. 89 became a 138, here is 11 and 38, difference is 49, and 138 became a 202, here is 62 plus 2, it is a 64. Okay, then here is a 8 square, here is a 7 square, here is a 4 square, nothing but here is we can write 5 square, here is we can write 6 square, 25 and 36, 28 plus 25, it is a nothing but 53, option E. Here we have a what problems now. 144 ml mixture contains milk and water in the ratio 5:4 respectively. Find the quantity of milk and that should be added in the mixture so that ratio milk and water result in mixture is 17:8. We are added milk means we have to equalize the water. Then here is 8 parts means here is also maintain the 8 parts. It is become a 10:8. Okay, this is become a 10:8. 8 and 8 is equal. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18 parts. 18 parts is equal to how many liters? 144 liters. 18 parts is equal to 144 liters means then each one part is equal to how many liters? 8 liters. 18 8 ja 144. Here is 10 to 17. 10 to 17 how many parts extra? 7 parts extra. 10 become a 17 means 7 parts extra. 8 7 ja is equal 7 8 ja is equal 56 liters added extra, then option A. Question number 77. Work done by A in 18 days is same as work done by B in 24 days. A and B together can complete a piece of work in 12 days. Find the time taken by A alone to complete work. The question meaning is A అనేవాడు 18 days లో ఎంతైతే వర్క్ చేశాడో B అనేవాడు 24 days లోనే అంతే వర్క్ చేశాడు. But it is not total work completion. But A and B both will be completed total work in how many days? 12 days. This is our key point to calculating A alone. A efficiency is 24, B efficiency is 18. Then A efficiency is going to dividing for the total work. Total work is completed in how many days? 12 days. But I need to know the what is the total work. Total work per day. Total work per day means B efficiency is 18, A efficiency is 24. 24 plus 18 is equal 42. 42 units is completed by both in 12 days. That is total work is completed by A alone is how many days? A efficiency is 24 now. Cancel the values to getting an answer. It is a 2. 42 by 2 is equal to how many days? 21 days. Option D here. Next, there are 3 numbers A, B, C are such that A is to B is 4:7, A is to C is 2:3. If average of A, B, C is 1 or 2, then the difference between the largest and smallest number. There are 3 numbers A, B, C. A is to B, we can write A is to B is to C. Look at here, the common point is A. A have a 2 parts, here is also A have a 4 parts. 4:7 is to 6. Here is 2 and 3, both are multiplied with 2. Now A value is becoming equal now. Now 6. Here is the average of ABC is 1 or 2, then find the difference between the largest and smallest number. Here the 3 numbers, it is equal to 306. 1 or 2 is total value 306 and 4 plus 7 plus 6, it is a 17 parts. 17 parts is equal to 306. We require the largest to smallest number. Largest to smallest number means 7 to 4 is how many parts gap? 3 parts gap. 3 parts value is calculated. 17 to 306 how many times? 17 1 is 17, remaining value is 136. It is a 8 times. Here is also multiplied 18. 18 3 is equal to how much? 54. Option D. Next, A and B enter into a business investing 9,600 and 10800 for 12 months and 8 months respectively. Find the total profit earned by A and B together if the profit of share is 3,000. Look at here is A value is 96 and B value is 108 and A investment is for 12 months and B investment for 8 months. This is we should calculate to getting an answer. 12 to 108 how many times? 9 times. 8 to 96 how many times? 12 times. 12 is to 9 is equal 4 is to 3. Both are cancelled with what is the number? 3. 3 4s are 3 3s are. And A profit is given. A profit is equal to 4 parts. 4 parts is equal to how much rupees? 3,000. 4 parts is equal 3,000 rupees means then total is how many parts? 7 parts. 7 into 4 parts is equal 3,000. 1 part is equal 750. 7 into 750, that is our answer. 750 is 350. 7 7 is 49. 49 plus 350 is equal 5250. Option A. Question number 80. A train traveling with a speed of 54 km per hour can cross a pole in 18 seconds. Find the time taken by the train to cross a 210 meters long tunnel. Then here, first of all, we should calculate for the train length. Train length is how to calculate 54 km per hour. It is crossing a pole in how many seconds? 18 seconds. So without knowing the train length, we can't calculate. First of all, you need to calculate train length. 54 km per hour convert into meter per second. That's why we will multiply extra 5 by 18. 18 cancel. 5 into 54, 54 of value 27, extra 0. Then train length is 270 meters. 270 meter length of the train crosses a pole in how many seconds? 18 seconds. How many seconds? 18 seconds. Now we need to calculate total, the same train crossing a total tunnel is how many seconds? So train length is 270 and tunnel length is 210. Overall is how many meters? 480 meters. 480 meters purpose we should calculate. Here is 0 0 cancel. 9 3s are 9 2s are. Every 3 meters 2 seconds. Every 48 meters how many seconds? 3 to 48 how many times? 16 times. 16 2s are is equal to 32 seconds. 32 seconds means option B here. Okay. We done almost all the questions of 40. Thank you.